Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, the listeners. How are you? This is Abu Darda Muhammad Arif Billah. I welcome everybody to this online classroom. Dear students, how are you? I think you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Everybody, not only of Bangladesh, people all over the world are passing their days in great anxieties. And today, we are continuing our online classroom activities. And in my last lecture, we arranged a class for class 5 elementary science. And I discussed chapter 9 in my first lecture. Today is the second lecture, and our reference book is Elementary Science, National Curriculum and Textbook Board. From Elementary Science book, students are asked to open page 62 to 66. And in our last class, we discussed difference between science and technology, and relationship between science and technology. Students, so far I remember, we learned that science is the knowledge about natural world, and technology is the practical application of science to solve the problems of our daily life or of our national life. That means science is the knowledge about the natural world, and technology is the practical application of science to solve the problems of our life. And today we will discuss technology in agriculture. People have developed different types of agricultural technology to meet the demand of food. To meet the demand of food, so many technological approaches are there all over the world. In ancient times, people used to produce crops, vegetables, etc. in a manual way. They used manual weapons, tools to do that. And in case of agricultural advancement, many things has been introduced in the course of time. With the blessings of science, technology has been advanced in case of agriculture. So today we will learn what sort of technological improvement have been implemented in our agriculture. In our book, it has been typed in 3 categories: mechanical technology, chemical technology, and biotechnology. Mechanical technology, chemical technology, and biotechnology. So what mechanical technology is? People invented agricultural tools such as shovel, spade, plow. Today people use agricultural machinery such as tractor, irrigation pump, and threshing machine. It helps to produce a lot of food in the shortest period of time. In the picture, you can see a mechanical technology, use of mechanical technology. This is a irrigation pump. This is a tractor. The farmer is tilling the land, preparing the land for seeding. And this is a tractor also plowing the field. This is in this machine. This machine is collecting vegetables from the field. And this is mechanical technology. And this is, you can see 3 pictures. These are threshing machines. threshing machines. Our paddy or other crops are from the field, separated from the plants. So we are actually enjoying the advancement of technology. You can see this in the picture. And in case of chemical technology, we know farmers use chemical fertilizers, pesticides. Pesticides, this means to remove pests. They are using chemical fertilizers. They are using pesticides in the field. So these are the two pictures of those. Two peoples are here. Actually, in case of chemical, in many crops, farmers use chemical fertilizers and pesticides to increase the production. The fertilizer helps plants to grow well and produce more food. Chemicals are used to resist harmful pests and weeds in order to grow more food, so that these weeds and pests cannot harm the crops. So with a view to grow more foods, these chemicals are used. These are the good side of the chemicals. We also know later that there are some bad effects also. So chemical technology, we can see, we will go to the next pictures using chemical fertilizer. This is a vegetable plant. Chemical fertilizers ensure growth of crops, vegetables, trees, etc. And we'll go to biotechnology. Biotechnology is a technology that uses living things to make new product for human welfare. I repeat, biotechnology is a technology that uses living things to make new product for human welfare. For example, agricultural biotechnology is a way to make plants with special qualities. This technology allows farmers to grow plants that are more nutritious, more resistant to pests, and more productive. So I will show you some pictures of biotechnological uses. There scientists are producing new plants, plants of new, more developed, and they are the production of biotechnology in the laboratory. In the test tube, we can see that these are the some pictures. In the test tubes, we see biotechnology is a technology that uses living things to make new products for human welfare. And this is also mentioned here that agricultural biotechnology is a way to make plants with special qualities. So with a view to making special quality plants, biotechnology is used. People, scientists, agriculturists all over the world are using this technology so that we can grow more and quality food. Anyway, we will now learn some negative effects of technology. Technologies actually make human life safe, comfortable, and better by solving various problems. However, technology also can cause some problems. So technology is not only making good for us, it also harms. In case of making good, in case of serving the humanity, it also hampers our life. And most important, three negative aspects of technology are here. One is environment pollution, then weapons, and other negative aspects, effects. We will discuss in three negative technologies. First one is environment pollution, second one weapons, and some other negative effects. What are environment pollution? Environment pollution is we are always polluting our environment by using uh, modern equipments, and in case of to making our life modern, easy and comfortable to meet our regular demand, we are actually spoiling the environment. Burning coal in power plant provides power to generate electricity for us, but the burning coal can cause air pollution. It produces huge carbon monoxide gases. So these are harmful very much. It can have negative effects on the environment such as global warming and acid rain. Chemical fertilizer and pesticide help to produce more food, but chemical fertilizer and pesticide can cause soil pollution, water pollution. So these are very much harmful. And factories, mills regularly are producing a lots of smoke, and our air is being polluted. They are throwing waste into the drains, into the ponds or rivers, and in this manner they are polluting the waters. So in such way our soil, our air and our water is being polluted. So these are very harmful, and we will go to the next slide. This picture shows us garbage are thrown in a corner or near a water, and our soil is being polluted. You can see lots of waste. Our domestic wastes are here, and this picture is not only in a town, all over the towns of Bangladesh, all over the cities of Bangladesh, great cities of the world, our soil is being polluted in this manner. So soil pollution is a great, and we can see how water is polluted. You can see the picture, rubbish and waste are thrown into the water, and in this manner our water sources are actually damaging. So we are damaging our water sources, resources. Day to day we are going to a very devastating situation. And next picture is about water air pollution. You can see how smoke is being emitted from this factory chimneys. So our air is being polluted. Now we will discuss weapons. What about weapons? In this picture you can see weapons technology is destructive. Bomb. The first picture is about bombing. Second one is a bomb, and there are some weapons, shotguns and other guns, and there is a time bomb also. These are destroying our life. These are used in devastating and destructive works. You can see tanks. This is used in fight, in war, and tanks actually destroy villages and locality areas. So these two pictures are about tanks. They are destructive. Actually, horrible application of science knowledge are the improvement of weapons technology like bombs, tanks, or guns. And we are suffering from some other negative aspects of technologies. In the picture, you can see people are watching television. The first two picture, they are actually seeming that they are addicted to television. Too much addiction for television too much. If you pass much time on watching television, this is harmful. This is harmful for our brain, for our eyes. Watching much, spending much time before the TV box actually causes a lot of harm for our body, for our mind, and actually these are very much harmful. And nowadays we can see a very devastating picture, that is use of cell phone or mobile phone. People are, when people get chances, they use mobile phone, they chat, they use Facebook or play games, etc., etc. Many things, everything is in the mobile phone. So abuse of mobile phone causes a great harm for our life. Sometimes using technology turn to an addiction. If we do not use television and computer for productive work, it will waste our time. It will waste our time. So we should use it properly. It hurdles in our regular sports, physical exercise, and limits free thinking ability. Watching TV or using computer for a lot of time, for a long time, more than 1 hours at a stretch is harmful for our health. Students, you should mind, you should, if you go to the TV box, before the TV box, you must, or before the computer, you must not exceed 1 hour a day. At a stretch, you should not use watch television for more than 1 hour. And same is before the mobile phone or computer. And you know, mobile phone is used by the hijackers or the dacoits or bad people in many negative works. So they are using mobile phone in various negative works which are harmful for our society. So these are the negative effects of modern technology or technology. So we will finish here. The what is the actually the gist? The gist is science and technology are related. They are dependent on each other. They are important for our life. But we all should use science and technology for the betterment of our life, for betterment of quality life. If we want to, if we go through quantity and leaving the quality aloof, that will be harmful. So we technology and science are important. What we started from the very beginning in the last class, that we are studying by using technologies, we are doing everything in modern science for technologies. You are watching this class for the blessings of technology, modern technology, but we should not abuse it. We should make our use our technology in proper way. So dear students, that is this is the last, we are at the last moment. This is my last words, and before finishing I would like to give you some homework, and you will do this homework, and in the last class, next class, that means the lecture 3 of our chapter 9, I will give the solution, or our madam will give the solution. Homework is students are asked to practice MCQ, short question answer, and descriptive questions which are given in your book, page number 67. So I think you all have understood the chapters. I took 2 classes to finish the chapter, and in my next lecture I will give you the solution of the questions. You can see in page number 67 that there is 4 MCQ questions. four or five short questions and four descriptive questions. Try to prepare the answer, and within short time, after 2 days, we will give the solution. That's all for today. I think all will stay at home. You will have a good relation with your family members, and up to them. Allah Hafiz. May Allah save us all from all kind of disasters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.